This is a 1993 Polaris XLT Special. It's the 580 or 579 cc motor. It is the Special, which in 1993 gave you the Fox shocks. It is the first official year for the XLT. XLT actually came out in 92 as a limited production run, and 93 was the first full production year for this sled. This one does have almost 4,400 miles on it. Pretty original, still has the purple ski skins on the front. Original track on the back, that's still an 8-inch, 121 by 15. They didn't come out with the extra 12 suspension until 1995. So 93, 94, all you could get was the 8-inch. Like I said, the only upgrade then was the Fox shocks. It does have the bare aluminum head on it, not purple. Purple came out in 94, and they continued all the way through to the end of the run in 99. 2000, the XLT was gone, and they replaced it with the Triumph, but it still had the XLT motor in it, except it had a black head cover, really. That's not even the head, that's just a cover.